Hello everyone and welcome back to Snowflake's May Snow Report. I'm currently in Snowflake's TV studio in Menlo Park to bring you the latest news, so let's dive in. We are thrilled to announce Snowflake Interactive Analytics is now generally available on Azure and GCP. This high-performance serving layer uses interactive tables in warehouses to deliver sub-second query speeds at scale. Now, you can power real-time dashboards in AI workloads with instant responsiveness. No external databases or extra infrastructure required. With this launch, batch ingestion is fully supported across all clouds, and you can already simplify your architecture by running low-latency workloads directly on Snowflake's governed platform. May's here, and the flowers aren't the only thing blooming. Our events calendar is too. It's time to get out, soak up the sunshine, and see what's blossoming this month. Mid-month things are getting hands-on. Join our virtual hands-on lab on May 19th. Building a multi-engine stack on Snowflake storage for Iceberg and Horizon Catalog. Also, on May 19th, Snowflake AI Pulse delivers a fast 10-minute walkthrough of the most important AI feature updates, followed by a 15-minute live demo. If you're building, these next two events are for you. On May 27th, join us for a hands-on webinar focused on simplifying data engineering with AI and autonomous pipelines. On May 28th, virtual hands-on lab, build your first agentic ML pipeline with natural language. This session shows how the Cortex Code agent reshapes model development using natural language prompts to run exploratory analysis and train models directly in the Snowflake Model Registry. Finally, the countdown is on. From June 1st to the 4th in San Francisco. This is where the biggest ideas in data and AI get built, tested, and put into practice. Across 4 days, expect keynotes, hands-on labs, and sessions that go beyond theory into how teams are deploying AI, scaling data platforms, and solving real production challenges. And if you're thinking about what's next for your data stack or AI strategy, this is the place for you. Well, that wraps Snowflake's May Snow Report. To learn about all these highlights, make sure to check out the newsletter. We'll see you out there.